From central Jamaica back to capital Kingston, 77 Constant Spring Road is their address. And tonight they came here to represent. Please help me welcome the ladies of Merlgrove High School singing Try Everything.
Merlgrove, this was a very beautiful song. Content. I love the words of that song, and they're really motivating and so on. I think you gave us a delightful expression of this song with some things that you need to fix. I noticed that you kept going a little bit sharp, in other words, a little higher than the key. So maybe you could try the song in a semitone up or a tone, because every time they came down, they were not low enough.
Merlgrove, your blend is very attractive. I admire the creative juices. I could hear some effort being put into the performance. As Joy said, some sections were a little bit sharp here and there, but you can fix it, and when you come back in the top 10, just hit it to that bang, all right?
When you're rehearsing them and when you're teaching them, though, I guess I'm speaking directly to you, it's good to pay attention to where the voices are, because they're young and their voices will tend to be higher. So in that key, even from the beginning, they started higher than the key of the track. So that's a clue to you that maybe it's too low for them. So change the key and accommodate what their natural ability is. I would love to hear more from you guys. So I'm hoping that they vote for you.
Well, if you want to hear more from Merlgrove, then it's simple. Call or text VOTE to 444-8804 to keep them in the competition.